In this video, we are going to explore the scene to image option and how we can use this to create different scenes and turn it into realistic looking images, just like so. As you can see it in the preview, it's still in the beta version. It's recently introduced by Adobe Firefly. So let's see how we can create some images using the 3D shapes. And that is specifically useful for all the people who work with 3D, maybe 3D artists, maybe some architects. So let's open this up. And on our left, we have all the shapes that's available. We have the cylinder shape, sphere, capsule. So whatever you want to make out of it, you can easily make that. So let me just move it anywhere in the canvas. We can expand the size. We can increase, decrease the size of it. Let's say that we want to create a bridge. So if you want to copy this, you just hold the alternate key, select that, and then just move away. It will copy the same shape. And again, you can increase or decrease the size, or you can place it however you want. You can even paste it like that, as you can see. And let's insert a shape again. Let's copy this one on the other side as well. Let's join this together so that we can make something. We might call it a bridge or something like that. You can adjust it however you want. And let's say this is a park plaza design. Because it's not my field to play around with different shapes and make something, so I have just randomly tried that. But for any kind of artist that works with shapes, it's an awesome feature for them. Let's click on wait again, and here is the design. Obviously it's not perfect, it is cartoonish image, so we can try something else. Let's remove all of this, and whatever shape we want to introduce, let's add a cube. You can just draw a cube of any size, and you can click as many times as you want. You can put a cylinder or any kind of shape. You can play around with that, and then you can make it any design. Let's actually copy this, paste this in ChatGPT, and let's write analyze the image on the left. So I just asked ChatGPT to analyze that image on the left. I'm trying to work with scene to image beta feature in Firefly. Tell me what it resembles from so that I can transform it into any real life picture. I've also requested ChatGPT to please also write a prompt for me to define this. Let's see. Now it says that it resembles tall cylinders, and cubes resembles buildings and towers, spheres, trees, bushes, and rocks. So example prompt you can use in Firefly is an aerial view of a small modern city block with the tall skyscraper surrounded by trees, green parks, and the scene should look realistic and all. Let's copy this and let's actually paste this prompt in order to convert this weird looking image into a practical one. Let's click on generate, click agree. Now I know this is overcrowded, so it might not generate some proper results, but let's just see. Okay, this is amazing, guys. Although our image was too weird, but it still was able to manage and convert it into a building's design in a modern city. And it has made this weird looking shapes into some kind of green plantation, which is carved properly in that shape. So this is amazing. You can bring any kind of shapes to life, and obviously all the people who work with all these shapes, maybe they are architects and they want to design something, even for kitchen designing and all of these home designing stuff, or for architects, they frequently use these kind of shapes. So after using that shapes, let's say to create a 3D map of the home, you can convert it into a practical looking image just by defining with a simple prompt. So that's how the scene to image feature works. I want you to try it, especially if you are with this field. You can just try designing different shapes. Try getting the help of ChatGPT, and it should probably design something amazing. So just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.